Oh no, a pimple. Picture this. It's the morning of a big day, maybe a school dance or a first date. You've been looking forward to this day for weeks, planning every detail to make sure everything goes perfectly. You wake up feeling great, then bam! You head to the bathroom, ready to start your day with a smile. You catch a glimpse of your reflection and see it. A huge red pimple has decided to take up residence right on your nose. It's like it appeared overnight, just to ruin your day. Don't panic. We've all been there. Pimples are a totally normal part of life, especially during your teenage years. It's something everyone experiences at some point, so you're definitely not alone. Your body is going through a lot of changes, and your skin is no exception. Hormones are fluctuating, which can lead to increased oil production. This is a natural process, and it's your body's way of adjusting to all the changes happening inside. This oil, along with dead skin cells, can clog pores and create those unwelcome bumps we call pimples. When the pores get clogged, bacteria can grow, leading to inflammation and those red, painful spots. But don't worry, it's not the end of the world. With a little knowledge and some simple skincare tips, you can keep those pesky pimples at bay and face the world with confidence. It's all about understanding your skin and taking care of it properly. So let's dive in and learn everything you need to know about pimples, from the causes to the cures. We'll explore the best practices for keeping your skin clear, the products that can help, and the lifestyle changes that can make a big difference. Whether it's your first pimple or just another one in a long line, we've got you covered. What causes these pesky things? We already touched on hormones, but let's dig a little deeper. Understanding the root causes of acne can help us better manage and prevent it. During puberty, your body produces more androgens, which are hormones that stimulate oil production. This is why teenagers often experience more breakouts. This excess oil can mix with bacteria and dead skin cells, leading to clogged pores and inflammation. When these pores get clogged, it creates an environment where bacteria can thrive. That inflammation is what causes the redness, swelling, and sometimes even pain associated with pimples. It's your body's way of fighting off the bacteria and trying to heal the skin. But hormones aren't the only culprit. There are several other factors that can contribute to acne. Genetics also play a significant role. If your parents struggled with acne, you might be more prone to breakouts too. It's often a hereditary issue. Your genetic makeup can determine how your skin reacts to different stimuli, including hormonal changes and environmental factors. Other factors that can contribute to pimples include stress, certain medications, and even your diet. Stress can trigger hormonal changes that lead to breakouts. Understanding the causes of pimples can help you make informed choices about your skincare routine and lifestyle. For instance, choosing non-comedogenic products can reduce the risk of clogged pores. So, let's bust some common myths about what causes those pesky bumps. Knowing the truth can help you take better care of your skin and avoid unnecessary treatments. Now we're diving into some of the most common misconceptions about pimples and acne. Let's set the record straight once and for all. Myth number 1. Chocolate and greasy foods cause pimples. This is a classic myth that has been debunked by science. While eating a balanced diet is important for overall health, including skin health, there's no direct link between specific foods like chocolate or pizza and breakouts. However, some studies suggest that dairy products and high glycemic foods might worsen acne in some individuals. It's essential to pay attention to how your skin reacts to different foods and adjust your diet accordingly. Remember, moderation is key. Myth number 2, pimples are caused by dirt. While it's important to keep your face clean, pimples are not caused by dirt. Pimples form when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells. In fact, scrubbing your face too hard can irritate your skin and make breakouts worse. Gentle cleansing is the way to go. Overwashing or using harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to more oil production and potentially more pimples. Stick to a gentle skincare routine to keep your skin healthy and balanced. Myth number 3, only teenagers get pimples. While it's true that acne is most common during adolescence, it can affect people of all ages. Adult acne is a real thing and can be caused by hormonal changes, stress, or underlying medical conditions. It's not just a teenage problem. Many adults experience breakouts well into their 30s, 40s, and even 50s. Factors like hormonal fluctuations, stress, and even certain medications can contribute to adult acne. It's important to understand that acne is a complex condition with multiple triggers. Now that we've busted some myths, let's talk about what you should not do when you get a pimple. First, avoid popping or squeezing pimples. This can lead to scarring and further inflammation. Instead, use over-the-counter treatments with ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Also, resist the urge to touch your face frequently. Your hands can transfer bacteria and oils to your skin, exacerbating the problem. Stick to a consistent skincare routine, and if your acne persists, consider consulting a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. Don't pop that zit. We know it's tempting, but trust us on this one. Resist the urge to pop your pimples. Squeezing or picking at a pimple can actually push the bacteria and pus deeper into your skin, leading to more inflammation, scarring, and even infection. It's best to leave pimples alone and let them heal naturally. If you're concerned about a particularly large or painful pimple, see a dermatologist. They can safely extract it and recommend appropriate treatment options. So if popping is a no-go, what can you do to get rid of those pesky pimples? Let's talk about some effective solutions. Now let's discuss about your skin-saving toolkit. There are plenty of over-the-counter products that can help treat and prevent pimples. Look for cleansers, toners, and spot treatments that contain ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or tea tree oil. These ingredients have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, swelling, and fight the bacteria that contribute to breakouts. Benzoyl peroxide works by killing bacteria and drying out excess oil. Salicylic acid helps to unclog pores by dissolving dead skin cells in oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that can help reduce inflammation. When choosing skincare products, always opt for oil-free and non-comedogenic formulas, which means they won't clog your pores. Now, let's move on to some specific skincare steps that can help keep your skin clear and radiant. Gentle cleansing equals happy skin. Washing your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, is crucial for removing dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog your pores. Use a gentle cleanser specifically formulated for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a cleanser out there for you. Avoid using harsh soaps or scrubbing your face too aggressively, as this can irritate your skin and make breakouts worse. Gently massage the cleanser into your skin with your fingertips and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now that your face is clean, let's talk about the importance of moisturizing. The magic of moisturizer, even for oily skin. You might be thinking, moisturizer? But I have oily skin. Trust us on this one. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier and preventing dryness. When your skin is dry, it can actually produce more oil to compensate, leading to more breakouts. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Apply moisturizer to your face and neck after cleansing and toning, both in the morning and at night. Next up, protecting your skin from the sun. Sun protection is crucial for everyone, regardless of skin type. Sun exposure can damage your skin, leading to premature aging and an increased risk of skin cancer. It can also worsen hyperpigmentation, which are dark spots that can be left behind after a pimple heals. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to your face and neck every day, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Now, let's talk about the role of diet and lifestyle in maintaining clear skin. While there's no magical food that will eliminate pimples overnight, a healthy diet can support overall skin health. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods provide essential nutrients that your skin needs to thrive. Drinking plenty of water is also important for keeping your skin hydrated and flushing out toxins. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Speaking of things that can affect your skin, let's talk about stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can trigger inflammation and increase oil production. This can lead to, you guessed it, more pimples. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential for both your mental and physical health, including your skin. Try incorporating stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. It's important to remember that everyone gets pimples from time to time. It's a normal part of life and doesn't define your beauty or worth. Be kind to yourself, practice patience, and focus on taking care of your skin from the inside out. With a little time, effort, and the right knowledge, you can achieve clear, radiant skin and face the world with confidence. Remember, you are beautiful, inside and out.